To give numbers a percentage format, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's follow these steps to format the numbers under the header percentage. I first select all the cells below percentage. Second, with the mouse cursor placed on the selected cells, I click the right button of the mouse, and from the floating menu, I select the option Format Cells. Third, I click on the tab Number. Fourth, since I want to format percentages, from the category list I select Percentage. Fifth, I fix the decimal places to 2. As you can see, Excel shows how the number will look in the sample area. Finally, I click OK. And the contents of the selected cells get formatted. You can also give numbers a percentage format by using the Percentage Style button under the Home menu. To do this, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's try these steps to format the numbers under the header Percentage. I first select all the cells below percentage. Second, I select the Home tab. Third, I click the Percentage Style button, and we see that the percentage format is immediately applied.